Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, we shall be looking at a new method to create unlimited Gmail account, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. Before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Chrome. Now, once you open your Chrome, just search for temp mail. Now, once you search for temp mail, there are many, but I will recommend this one. The first one over here, click on this one, and you can see your temporary email address. Just wait as it is loading over here. And you can see copy. Click on copy to copy your address. So you can see your temporary email address is copied. Now, once you have copied this address, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store, the next thing you need to do is to search for Secure VPN over here. If you're already having this application but not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. So you can see this app has over 100 million plus download over here. So go ahead and open this Secure VPN. Now, once you open your Secure VPN, you can see checking network settings. Just wait as it is loading over here. And you can see connect. So you can see connected. Now, once you are connected to this particular VPN, all you need to do is to just go back and open your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store, make sure you update your Gmail app to the latest version. So search for Gmail and update your Gmail application. So if your Gmail is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version over here. So make sure you update your Gmail application. So you can see update. Make sure you update your Gmail to the latest version. Now, once you are done updating your Gmail, all you need to do is to open your Gmail once it is updated. Once you open your Gmail, click on your profile at the top right corner, and once you click on your profile at the top right corner, you can see over here, add another account. Click on add another account and it will take you to this place where you can see set up email. Now click on Google over here. Once you click on Google, just wait and you can see check-in info. So make sure you enter your password or your fingerprint. And once you are done with that, just wait as it is loading over here. Now it will take you to this place where you can see sign in. So click on create account and you can see for my personal use and for work or business. Click on for my personal use. And once you click on for my personal use, you can see create a Google account. Enter your name. So enter any name. Now you can see last name. The last name is optional, so let's leave it like that and click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see basic information over here. Now for the basic information, all you need to do is to enter your date of birth and gender. So you can see enter your date of birth and gender. So enter the month, enter any one of your choice, then the day and then the year. Now select your gender. Now once you are done, click on next. Once you click on next, just wait as it is loading over here, and you can see they have suggested some email account to you over here. Create an email address. So they have suggested some address for you. So in this case, all you need to do is to click on create your own Gmail address. So let's paste the one that we copied from temp mail. Now you can see at gmail.com is already here. So let's delete everything over here, including the art, because the art is already there. So once you paste it, you need to delete everything, including the art. And once you are done, click on next. Now once you click on next, it is asking for your password. So you can see create a strong password over here. So just create a strong password. So in my case, I'll be entering my password. Now once you have entered your password, click on next. Now once you click on next, just wait as it is loading. Now once you enter your password and click on next, you can see over here review your account info. So you can see over here, so you can see you can use this email address to sign in later. So click on next. Now once you click on next over here, just wait as it is loading, and you can see I agree over here. Now once you click on I agree, you are done with the whole process. So you can see we have gone through without entering our personal contact. So with this, you can easily create unlimited Gmail account without using your personal contact. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.